So you came here to learn a handstand, huh? You're gonna learn how to safely fall out of one, how to get into one, and how to actually hold the handstand. Alright, let's go. So you probably want to learn a handstand from someone who could actually do a handstand, so here's my credentials. Well, you want to stretch your shoulders, your wrists, your back, all the good stuff. Anyways, let's go. How to safely fall from a handstand. So if you're flexible, you can just land into a bridge like that, easy, and you'll be fine. But obviously, I know some of y'all aren't flexible, so literally just twist to the side and like fall as you see in the video. Oh, peekaboo. Here we go again. We're gonna twist and like fall safely. As long as you lock your elbows, you'll be fine. Make sure to lock your elbows forever and you'll always fall safely. Now to get into a handstand, you can do it from standing up, just like you can see in the video. And like you're probably not gonna hold it, so like twist to the side and fall. I recommend for beginners to start from the ground, as you can see in the video, and then you kick up like that. Whoa, you did it! Nah, I know you probably didn't do it, but that's okay. That's what we're here to learn. So you're gonna wanna do that a lot. Like maybe like 10 times a day, or just whenever your arms feel tired. Get that repetition of like kicking up so that you know the feeling of getting into the handstand. And then there's all these leg positions that you can try to balance on. Anyways, your hand placements. Why is your arm so wide? Does that look normal to you? Alright, yes, just like that. Perfect. You want shoulders width apart, you know. You want to be parallel with your shoulders. Oh, wait, what are you doing? Nah. You're getting too close. Like I said, you want it to be parallel. That's too close together. Yes, alright, back to it. Now here's the fun part. How do you hold a handstand? Just like how you balance with your feet, if you're falling forward, your heels will like go up, as you can see with your toes right there. And then when you fall backwards, your toes will rise up. Now how do we translate that into your hands? So when you're in the handstand, you're falling forward, you want to grip that floor like you're grabbing onto it. And then if you're falling forward, your fingers will lean forward a bit. And then if you're falling backwards, the palm of your hands will go back a bit, just like in the toes demonstrations. Mitosis. Well, there's only so much that I can explain, so you're just gonna have to do it with trial and error and literally actually attempt the handstand. You can learn as much as you want, but you gotta actually do it yourself. Anyways, let's use the wall now. Alright, so how do you use the wall to learn a handstand? Well, as you can see in the video, you kicked up into the handstand, you want to slowly lift one leg off the wall, and then try to lift the other leg off the wall slowly, and you can find your balance like this. And if you fall, just put your feet back forward and you'll be fine. And just keep trying to do this over and over again. It can help build your arm strength while also helping you find that balance. So take all of these steps and try to do it without the wall. Remember, it's a process to learn a handstand. You're not going to do it overnight, sadly. You're going to have to practice this consistently to see progress. And then once you see the progress, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I did it. You held the handstand. Let's go. For reference, I've been practicing a handstand for 3 years and I can hold it for a whopping 1 minute. Woo! Let me know if you have any questions or concerns on how to hold a handstand. Thanks for watching.